And today we are going to make a Paku Paku, aka talking mouth.
I'm Bobby! What animal do you think I am?
Maybe a person.
Oh, do you think I look like a person?
Maybe a lizard.
Oh yeah, I'm a lizard! And I'm a very, very hungry lizard! And I want to eat something! Can I eat you?
No! Welcome to Kesler Shares. And today we are going to make a Paku Paku, aka talking mouth. Now we are going to make it. First step, fold and unfold. It will look like a rectangle. Second, rotate and fold. There will be a line in the middle. Third, unfold, rotate until the tip is facing you. After that, fold. There is two triangles and a square. Unfold. Next, rotate it again. It will still look like the tip is still pointing to you. Fold. There are 4 triangles. Unfold. Fifth, turn back into a square. And then fold all the corners to the middle. You must find the opening part. Fourth, turn it over and then do the same thing. There are 4 lines if you see the opening part. Fifth, turn it into the tip is facing you. And fold and unfold in different ways. Next, fold again, and then the tip, bring it inside, and then close it. Do the same as the right side. You will see a square. Last but not least, open it up. And here's your Paku Paku, aka talking mouth. Have fun playing. It's time for the interesting part. Use a marker and draw the eyes. We're done. And then now, let's play with our friend Bobby. Bobby, come out.
Hello, Kesler. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, you have a friend there.
Oh yes, his name is Peter.
Oh, hello, Peter.
Hi, Bobby.
I'm Bobby. What animal do you think I am?
Maybe a person.
Oh, do you think I look like a person?
Maybe a lizard.
Oh, yeah, I'm a lizard. And I'm a very, very hungry lizard. And I want to eat something. Can I eat you?
Okay, I will give you a banana.
Oh, a banana. It's so nice, but it don't look like a real banana. What kind of banana is this?
It is a origami banana.
Origami banana. That looks so nice and yummy and yellow.
Do you want to share?
Let's share and eat it. Go!
And the next day, Bobby ate a cake.
Oh, Bobby, come here already. Wow, we have a cake here, but
Yay.
this one looks like a real cake.
It is still an origami cake.
Origami cake, but it's purple and look delicious. I want to eat it. Let's do it. Go!
The next day, the very hungry Bobby ate a fish.
Oh, we have a fish here. It's not a real fish. What kind of fish is this?
It is still an origami fish.
Origami fish. It sounds yummy. I haven't tasted origami fish before. Let's eat it.
The next day, Bobby ate a mushroom.
Mushroom. I love mushroom. Yummy. But it doesn't look like a real mushroom.
It is a origami mushroom.
Origami mushroom. Yummy. I want to eat it.
The last day, Bobby drank a cup of milk.
Milk is very delicious milk. Milk can help me grow big and strong. Oh, where's the milk?
That's the end of the interesting part. If you like our video, click like and subscribe. See you next time.